Hey guys, so about a couple years ago on my channel, I had made a New Year's Eve tutorial and I had some time with my day and I just wanted to give like an updated tutorial using different products and what I'm looking like for this New Year's. So if you like this look, stay tuned and watch the video. So I'm going to start out by putting my hair up, and then I'm going to take my Urban Decay Primer Potion and just put that all over my lids. I'm going to take Burnt Orange from my Modern Renaissance palette and put that kind of in my crease, above my crease, on both eyes. And now I'm going to take Red Ochre and kind of do the same just to add more dimension. And for more depth, I'm then going to put Cypress Umber into the crease and above my crease, and you kind of want to make sure that you go above your crease, because when you do the cut crease, you're not going to be able to see color if it's just in your crease or below your crease, so you want to exaggerate it. I'm then going to take this fluffy, clean blending brush and blend everything out. With my Maybelline FitMe Concealer, I'm going to start making the cut crease with a flat shader brush, and make sure you take your time with this because you want to have a nice clean cut. I'm now going to take NYX Glitter Primer and put that everywhere I applied the concealer on my lid, so when I apply the glitter, everything will be able to stick. After wetting your flat shader brush, you can apply whatever loose glitter pigments you have. This one I'm using is the NYX Glitter Brilliance in the shade Silver. Just be sure to do a patting motion, and if you have any fallout, you can just clean that with a makeup wipe. This is why I suggest that you do your eye makeup before the rest of your face makeup. Here I just took more Cypress Umber with my blending brush and just kind of put that in the outer third. Now I'm taking my L'Oreal Liquid Lineur Intense and just doing a regular cat eye. If you know me, you'll know that this is my favorite liquid eyeliner and I kind of refuse to use anything else. After curling my lashes and applying Lash Paradise, my favorite drugstore mascara, I'm just going to apply some false eyelashes to my eyes. Now I'm just going to take my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer and just pat that into my face where my pores are the largest. And after that, I'm going to take my Maybelline Fit Me Foundation in Golden Caramel, shade 332 I believe, and buff that into my face using an EcoTools wet sponge. Again, taking that same Maybelline concealer, I'm just going to put that under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, Cupid's bow, and a little bit on my chin, and then again just buff that in with my damp sponge. Using my Dream Matte powder, even though it is discontinued, I'm just going to set the concealer on my face. Now taking this NYX concealer, I'm just going to contour my face a little and buff that out. I need to get a darker color in this though, but this will do for now. Now I'm just going to bronze my face with an angled brush using my NYX Bronzer. Using my BECCA liquid highlighter, I'm just going to put that on my cheekbones and again on the bridge of my nose. And after blending that out, I'm just going to put the Opal powder highlighter just on top of that to give a nice highlight, glow, you know. Going back into my Modern Renaissance palette, I'm just going to take the shade Vermeer and put that on my brow bone and then on the inner corners of my eyes. Using my Rimmel ScandalEyes eyeliner, I'm just going to put that in the waterline to kind of smooth things out a bit and help complete the look. And then going back into the Modern Renaissance palette, I'm just going to take Cypress Umber and put a little bit of that under my eyes. Now I'm taking my Anastasia lip gloss in Toffee, putting that on my lips, and I'm just going to follow it up with Fenty Beauty's Lip Gloss Bomb, I want to say. And after all this, I'm just going to take my Wet n Wild setting spray, set everything on my face, and then I'm done. Alright, so this is my New Year's Eve look, and if you want to see any of the products, I have linked them all down below. And I had forgot to film the setting spray, but I've also linked that down below. So yeah, I hope you guys have a great new year, and hopefully 2018 brings us all great memories and joy. For me personally, I had a really good 2017, and hopefully you did too, but if you didn't, you know, new year, new you. So happy new year. All right, bye.